Actually, now only recording started. He is in Delhi police. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is this the first interview you are attending? Is this the first
Yes, sir.
bank interview? When is your interview? Which date is your interview?
So it's 13th.
13th. Samay hai. Acha. Shivani is on 13th. Good. Now, shall I ask questions relating to banking now, or
Yes,
should I ask? Ready? You are ready, na?
yes, sir.
Please tell me, what do you know about State Bank of India?
So State Bank of India is 43rd largest bank in the world. It has the largest customer base in India. It has its headquarters is in Mumbai, Maharashtra. It has around 2.5 lakh employees, and it has so that's it.
What? Only this much? Why? Why have you not prepared adequately? Like, what is its total number of branches? What is its total number of business and achievements? Ka bare mein thoda
So total number of branches are around 22,000, and total number of
total
ATMs.
ये सब
ATMs.
ये सब रेडी करके बोलने से तो अच्छा होगा ना?
Yes, sir. I have written these, but I have not recognized these. I am not able to recall those.
I have put it in 103 resilience people technology, that which I have downloaded from our internet only, जिसमें ये सब आता है, मतलब number of ATMs 62,617, then 37.09 million registered user base, then under 10 million logins, something like that. So some information आपने हमको बताना है ना, to know that you are interested in joining State Bank of India. See, if you get to know about State Bank of India, इसका मतलब ये है you are serious about joining State Bank of India. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, good. अगले बार जब हम लोग मीट करेंगे, आप स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया का बारे में अच्छा से पढ़ के आना है.
Yes, sir.
Now let me ask you, what do you understand by KYC?
So it stands for Know Your Customer.
Correct.
It is.
Tell me something about that.
It is a criteria by which banks get to know about their customers to prevent money laundering or any fraud cases.
Yeah.
It needed 3 documents: one photo identity proof, and one photograph, and one address proof.
Correct. Just a minute. Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
You know, initially I was doing in Zoom, subsequently reverted to this one, and now I find I have to go only by Zoom. So that is why it is getting delayed. In fact, I am not conducting for full half an hour. In spite of it, I'm getting delayed. Yeah, you told about KYC. KYC के बारे में और भी अच्छा बोल सकता है ना? आपने तो ठीक नहीं बोला, और थोड़ा कोशिश करके अच्छा से बोलो ना.
Okay, so it stands for Know Your Customer. Banks uses KYC to get to know about their customers in a better way, so that they can prevent money laundering, or they can
Good. This is the word I wanted. Very good. Prevent money laundering and also avoid benami transactions. Good. You told nicely. Now, can you tell me something about why banks are giving locker facility to customers? What is the advantage for bank?
So banks give locker facility to customers so that they can keep their important things in their locker, and customer has to pay some interest
Interest.
for using, not
In-
interest, for some charges they have to give to use that locker facility.
Locker rent,
Yes, a locker rent.
and that is the income for the bank.
Yes, sir.
That is why bank is giving locker. Now, tell me what are the sources of income for the bank?
Sir, sources of the income for the bank is the interest that they charge while providing loans. Then banks invest in shares. They buy securities, so they earn interest on that. Then there is a word called bank assurance, where banks act like agents. They sell the policies of the insurance companies and get commission in return.
Good. That is right. You are a Delhi girl, correct?
Yes, sir.
So tell me something about digitalization in banking.
So digitalization in banking means that banks have gone digitalized by reducing the need of the customer to visit the branch. Customers can use various apps provided by the bank so that they can transfer their money online, they can pay their bills online, so there is no need to visit the branch frequently.
Correct. So what are the various sources by which digitalization is achieved? What are the various ways? For example, one is internet banking. Likewise.
Yes, sir. Like one is NEFT, IMPS, RTGS. These are the various payment through which we can make payments. And we can use our ATM cards
Good.
to withdraw money from the bank, from our bank accounts.
Good. Then.
And I'm not able to recall any further.
No, actually, digitalization towards aiming that this ATMs are helping, then the debit cards, credit cards, not only that, the process of linking the accounts with UPI and also IMPS, NEFT, RTGS. This is what you already told. And also say using of various apps for making remittances. And mobile banking is another important thing we have to say. Internet banking and then mobile banking is another important thing we have to tell when we talk about digitalization. Not only that, many banks, they do have a provision for application for loan online itself, opening of accounts online itself, correct?
Yes, sir.
इसका बारे में बोलना है आप. Why are you not able to evince keen interest and share it? What is your father?
So he's in Delhi police.
Oh, आपने बताया था. Correct. Delhi police. Good. So, what do you understand by KCC?
So KCC stands for Kisan Credit Card. It is a facility for the farmers. Banks provide credit to the farmers to raise crops, to buy equipments, so that they can they can do their agriculture in a better way. And so that's it.
What can you please repeat what you said? What is Kisan credit card and why it is being given more importance nowadays? Please try.
So it is a
It
is a facility that is provided by the banks by which they extend credit to the farmers so that they can raise their crops, they can buy equipments that are needed in agriculture, and they can buy tractors using that. So that is the main purpose of KCC.
Correct. But you must tell something more also. KCC is limit is fixed based on the land holding, based on the crop that is grown. And using that limit, the customer can purchase fertilizers, seeds, labor, etc., and make harvest. And after making harvest, he should repay the money to the bank. And once it is done, the account is being reviewed and the facility is again available to the bank. A KCC is valid for a period of 5 years. And in the case of KCC, up to 1.6 lakhs, no security is taken by banks. Samajh gaya?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is how you have to tell about that. So in which topic are you very confident? बताइए आपको. Which topic you are very confident, sir? हम इसका बारे में बहुत अच्छा बोलेगा. Current affair में अच्छा है आप? नहीं.
So banking की basic terms I know.
Very good. Now I am coming to it.
Okay, sir.
Expand ATM.
So ATM stands for automated teller machine.
BOP.
It stands for balance of payment.
Okay. Then what is meant by a CD ratio? Credit deposit ratio. Credit deposit ratio. Okay. Then expand CII.
Confederation of Indian Industry.
Correct. What is the present inflation rate? 5.9%. 5.9%.
5.9%. Yes.
Yeah.
Sir.
What is the say GDP increase this year expected?
It's 9.2%.
Next year? 8.9.
Next year, 8.9.
Correct. Good. Very good. Expand CSIR.
CSIR.
Council of Scientific and Industrial Research.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Council of
DBOD.
DDOD.
No. Delhi, Bombay, Operation Delhi. DBOD.
I have not heard about it.
Department of Banking Operations and Development. Department of Banking Operations and Development. Reserve Bank में होगा. अच्छा, DICGC. Expand.
So it is a subsidiary of RBI. It stands for Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation of India.
Who is the chairman? Patro.
SC Khuntia.
No. SC Khuntia is for IRDAI. Okay. For this MD Patro, one of the deputy
MD
governors
Patro.
of our RBI is the chairman. And you know, up to how much amount DICGC gives guarantee?
Yes, sir. It gives insurance of 5 lakh rupees.
Super. What is the meaning of that? Supposing you are a rich lady, you have about 10 lakhs in your account and that bank goes on liquidation. आपको कितना रुपया मिलेगा?
So I will get 5 lakh rupees, I guess.
बस उससे ज्यादा नहीं मिलेगा. इसका
Yes,
प्रिवेंट करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? कोई डिपॉजिट आपका नाम पहले देके खोलना है, कोई डिपॉजिट आपका दूसरे का नाम पहले देके खोलना है, so that at least 10 lakhs we can get it covered. समझ गया?
ओके, सो मतलब जो सेम कस्टमर है वो दो नाम से अपना वो डिपॉजिट,
दो नाम नहीं, दो नाम नहीं. You open one first deposit yourself name first, second name your mother.
Okay, okay.
Second deposit you open first deposit in the name of mother, second name your name. That is that's SIF number, you know, customer identification form number. That should be different. In banks,
Okay, sir.
you have SIF number. Can you expand IFSC?
IFSC.
Everybody is telling IFSC code, IFSC code. What is IFSC code? Indian Financial System
Service
Code.
system.
Code. Indian Financial System Code. Which bank do you have an account?
So Bank of Baroda.
Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda headquarters where?
Sir, in Gujarat.
Correct. Vadodara or something like that. Good.
Vadodara. Vadodara, Gujarat.
Vadodara. IFSC code में कितना digits होता है?
Sir, it's 11 alphanumeric code.
Good. Very good. And then Aadhaar card में कितना digits होता है?
Aadhaar card, it has
12
12 digits.
12 digits. MICR code में कितना digit?
9 digits.
Good. Then PAN card में कितना digit?
10 digits.
Correct. Good. Excellent. You told nicely. Now, Aadhaar card has helped in this COVID times. In what way has it helped the government? Aadhaar card. In what way is it of help to government? For this vaccination purposes, it is very useful. I am having only that in mind. But today, some judgment has come, some statement has come stating Aadhaar is not a must for coding this vaccination. But then how will they maintain records? That's again a very difficult thing. Because this Aadhaar, they have been able to maintain it properly. Samajh gaya?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, 1 minute. Yeah. EPF expand.
EPF. I'm sorry, sir. I don't know.
Employees Provident Fund. What is ECS?
External credit.
Electronic Clearing Scheme. Acha, I will do one thing. Are you a member of our State Bank group? 2000?
Yes, sir.
1 minute. Hold on. Because I think I have not given this material. I have to give this material. 1 minute ठहरो ना. एक किधर है? 2000 for SBI. Acha, 1 minute. Hold on.
Okay, sir.
2000 December. Sharing and all becomes, yeah, 2021 SBI PO. Correct. अरे भाई अभी दे दिया आपको हमारा SBI पेज में टेलीग्राम में दे दिया. ये दोनों को और एक बार पढ़ लीजिए. This may help you in our next interview also in case of need. Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
So I don't know, some you are answering well, but kabhi kabhi aapko you are not able to answer some questions. Perhaps have you gone through all my materials I have given you, or at least you tell me whether you have read. There are two stages. One, I have not read. 2 I have read, I am not remembering. What is the situation?
Yes, the second one, I guess. I have read, but I'm not able to remember many things.
Oh, sorry, ma. Please prepare it properly, and maybe you have luckily time till 13th. हो सकता है, maybe we can arrange for one more meeting in which, because we will come to know what are the questions they are asking on 10th, 11th. Based on that, we can change our strategy also. समझ गया?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Best wishes. Sorry, I have to cut it at this stage because I have committed beyond my capacity to people. I should have arranged only for, say, Zoom meeting for all, but everybody wants one-to-one. That is why this problem. Anyhow, my estimation of you is 8 out of 10.
Okay, sir. So what are the weak areas? Can you please tell in 2 or 3 points?
Like you are not able to remember things what you have read earlier, and you are not gone deep into subjects of banking like KCC, KYC and all that. थोड़ा और भी deep अच्छा से पढ़ना है. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, no complaint about you. I think this is second time we are talking, na? Or first time we
No,
are
sir, this is the first time.
first time. For the first time, you have done really well. I will give you 8 easily, and maybe if I want to give something more, 8.5.
Thank you,
But
sir.
how many marks would you have scored in the main exam over the cutoff?
Sir, the marks are not out yet, so I'm not sure.
How many questions did you answer?
So I guess my attempts was around 80.
Okay, best wishes. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I don't think you are not done well, but maybe my expectation was more.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, sir.